Where does the name for Llanfair Talhaearn come from? So today I'm in a small village in Conwy County called Llanfair Talhaearn, often shortened to Llanfair TH. Let's get into the name. So the name is made of two parts. Firstly, Llan, which means an area of land or a settlement attached to a church, but originally meant a special piece of consecrated land to set up a religious community. Llan comes originally from the Proto-Celtic landor, meaning land, and is related to the word land in English very, very distantly. Then we have Vair. Vair is the soft mutation of Mair, meaning Mary, specifically here Jesus' mother. As Mary, or Mair, was a common object of veneration in Britain before the Protestant Reformation, there are lots of Llanfairs in Wales, so we add something to the end to differentiate them. Here we added Talhaearn, which is a person's name, literally ironbrow. It was the name of a monk who founded the church here dedicated to Mary in the 5th century. Supposedly he came here from Abati Valley Crwcus near Llangollen. It was also the home of the bard Talhaearn. Now, some people think that the town was named after him, but it's the other way round. The name for Llanfair Talhaearn is documented from long before his birth. It's a common tradition for Welsh poets to take names from their place of birth, but it also might be a reference to an ancient poet from the 6th century also called Talhaearn, who was known for his skill in composing poetry, but unfortunately none of his poems have survived. Talhaearn was born in the Harp Inn, now Hafod y Gan, and travelled England and France before coming home and eventually dying, in the same pub that he was born in. I'll read you one of his poems in an upcoming video. So the name literally means the area or the settlement attached to the Church of St Mary of Talhaearn. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, links in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.